Hi ladies. So for Fundations today, we are on Unit 12, Week 1. We are working with two new sounds that they're two new vowel combinations and they actually make the same sound. And you've probably seen it before, but I don't think you did it in first grade. So I'll write the sounds up here, or the letters up here. So the first one is O-I, oi. So now you say it. O-I, oi. The second is O-Y, oi. Now you say it. O-Y, oi. If I used O-I, and we're actually doing this in math right now, we're working with oins, oi, oins, oin, coin. Or if I added a B to the front of OY, it would be B-oy, boy. Now it's your turn. Good. Okay, so we have OI and OY, boy. Oh, and I didn't show you how we would mark it up. So I'm going to rewrite coin and boy. What you're going to do is circle the vowel pair again. Scoop, scoop, D, double vowel. And now remember, Y needs to be a vowel in this case because it's teamed up with OY in this syllable. B-oy. Let me see what our word of, we have some trick words. Let me show you our trick words and then we'll go into building a few different words with those vowel teams. So our first trick word think about it for a second. This word says favorite, favorite. That word is early. That word is ocean. So those are our trick words for the week. I want you to practice writing them 5 times on a separate sheet of paper, all 3 of them. So you're going to write 5 favorites, 5 early, and 5 oceans, because you don't really have a trick word wall at your house. You could make one if you wanted to on a little piece of paper and write out the words, but if we do a Fundations check and you want to be able to refer or see those words. So now, let me see. Okay. So who remembers what the vowel teams that we're using this week are? 3, 2, 1. O-I and O-Y. So there's something that we have to memorize about this, similar to when we were doing A-Y and A-I. One of these goes typically in the middle of words, and one of these goes at the end of words. And we already spelled a word today that kind of gave it away. Actually, we spelled 2 words. So if I were to tell you to spell boy, it would be B-O-Y. So the reason it's B-O-Y is that O-Y is used at the end of syllables and O-I is used at the beginning or middle of syllables. So if I were to use B again with O-I and I spelled boy, ol, it's in the middle of boil, boil, boy. O-Y is at the end of words. O-Y is in the middle or the beginning. A word where it's in the beginning, let me see, can you think of one? And I'll write one up here, give you a few seconds to think. With O-Y in the beginning. The word I was thinking of was oil, oi. So boil, oil. and boy. OI is in where? The beginning and middle. OI is where? At the end. Very good. Let me see if we have a word of the day today. And actually, before we do the word of the day today, I want you to also remember this. So if I have boy, B-O-Y, and I made it plural, which means more than one boy, I would add an S. When you're looking at this word, OY isn't at the end. Or is it? It is at the end. Remember, S is a suffix. So it is added to a base word. The base word here is boy. S is our suffix. So OY is still at the end of that base word. Don't get tricked. If you see or hear a word that you have to spell and it's plural, which means it has an S or an ES, remember, if it is at the end of a word that sound OY, it's always going to be OY, not OI. Okay, and it seems like we have a word of the day today, and the word is spoil. I'm going to try and find another color marker. Spoil. Try and spell spoil at home. I'm going to give you 5 seconds. Spoil. Ready? S-P-O-I-L. Remember that oi sound, spoil. It sounds like it's in the middle of the word, and it is. O-I goes in the middle. It wouldn't be S-P-O-Y-L because that wouldn't make sense. O-I is the one that has to be in the middle or the beginning of words. So let's tap it out together. Sp-oil, sp-oil, spoil. How would we mark it up again? Think about it for a second. We would scoop. We would circle O-I, and remember that D goes at the bottom to show us it is a double vowel sound. Spoil. Very good. All right, and I'm going to leave this up here. So we have spoil. Remember those 3 trick words also. We have favorite, we have early, and we have ocean. And this is our first word of the day. I'm going to make an assignment on Seesaw where I want you to practice thinking of words that have those sounds that we're working on this week, or the vowel teams. O-I and O-Y. O-Y goes at the end of words. O-I goes in the middle or beginning. I'm going to challenge you to come up with maybe 10 words for each vowel team, okay? And then maybe you can post them to Seesaw or write them out and take a picture. So have fun with this, ladies.